This is the video for the crew members. Hi guys, Mr. Massio here. Sorry I'm not there. This is how jury duty works. When you're called out, you go in and you go in for as many days as they need you for until they let you go. My status right now is that today they're pulling me in to see if I'm going to be selected to be on this case. It is a criminal case. I don't know what the guy did, though I did see the guy. But yeah, I may be stuck in a courtroom with this guy for the next 12 days. Hopefully, I'm not picked because we have a lot to do for this for the spring play. So, speaking of which, here's your assignment for today. All right. Yesterday, you guys went on and you guys filled out everything and made a decision. You guys decided that all of the crew is going to work on all of the assignments, all the areas. So that means everybody's responsible for set, lighting, sound, makeup, costume, everything. All right, now it'll probably be divvied out. Oh, Paige, you'll work on makeup, and oh, Andrew, you'll do the lights for now. But essentially, everybody's responsible to make sure everything gets done. So what this means is that you guys are going to be getting a group grade together. That's right. If Mark was supposed to organize the props and they don't get done, everybody's grade suffers. All right. This is the one you guys picked. I'm excited for it. I think it'll teach you guys a little bit more how the real world is ran. The real world isn't so clean cut. Where, hey, dude, you know what? I'm in charge of costumes. If the props didn't get made, it's not my fault. Whatever. No, dude, like your job is going to be affected no matter what. All right, even if it's not your assignment, you got to make sure it gets done. And of course, if somebody's slacking off and all that, the whole crew will come to me and go, yeah, that guy doesn't do any work. And then that guy will get fired. Ooh, please explain what getting fired means to the newcomers, Paige, Anaí, and Omar. I think those are only 3 newcomers. Yeah. So today, you guys have some assignments. First off, as of right now, as how it's going to be, your technical directors, there's going to be 2 of them. You're going to have 2 co-technical directors. It's going to be Carolina and it's going to be Marco. All right, so they're co-technical directors. That means they're in charge of all the crew. All right, and the stage manager is going to be Andrea. This is for 2 reasons. First off, because all 3 of those people kind of did those same roles last semester. And also, they were the only ones who signed up on the Google Doc yesterday for those roles. So as of right now, that's how it's going to be. So that means you 3 are responsible to make sure that the following gets done. All right. You guys need to create lists for each scene. These different lists would be prop list, set list, and these are ideas. These are, yeah, this is what we think. All right. So prop list, set list, costume, makeup list, and lighting and sound. All right. We'll worry about marketing later. But right now, those are the main things we need to get done. So the scripts are already posted on Google Classroom. I know the Wicked script and the Matilda script, we're not quite sure how we're going to end those, but we know exactly everything with the Lion King, Fools, Odd Couple, Alice in Wonderland. So those 4, start with those 4. All right, we'll work on nailing down the final script for Matilda and Wicked once I see the auditions. All right, but we need to start creating lists for those things. All right, I don't have the time right now because I was in the courtroom all day, so I don't have time to make the lists look all pretty like I did last semester. You guys just get a rough list going because Mrs. Brown has already asked for a list of materials that we need. Before we can get money to spend for our budget, we need to give her a list of everything we think we're going to need to prove why we need to spend this much money. All right. I'm asking for $700. I don't know if that's what we're going to get this semester to spend, so we'll see. But our step number 1 is to make that list. So, Carolina, Marco, it's up to you guys to split up the assignments. You can give one person one scene and have them do all the work for that scene, or give somebody your props, go through, find every single prop we're going to need for every single one. It's going to be up to you guys. All right, make sure it gets done. A fair amount of it should be started by the end of the period today. So it should almost be done for at least 3 of the 6 scenes. Everything should be completed. This needs to be the Google Doc made and shared with me on this assignment on Google Classroom. List it here and you guys will get credit for the day. I'm excited. This is going to be fun. If I am called out and I'm not there for the next 2 weeks, you guys are going to have a lot of responsibility because when I get back, I want it to be like I never left, or like I was always there. So we've done this before. We did it last semester. You guys know exactly what needs to get done. All right, so get to it. Bye.